So I went to get groceries. Fui a buscar grocerías. Fui a comprar las compras al supermercado. And I bought this bread, pita bread. And it says 38 grams. I mean, carbohydrate is 38 grams versus 38 gramos de carbohidrato versus el típico pan de hamburguesa, the typical burger bread, which is 29, que es 29. Okay, so what I was gonna say doesn't make sense now. Anyway, lo que iba a decir no tiene sentido ahora, because I was gonna say that this had less. Iba a decir que este tiene menos, pero but the point is this, el punto es lo siguiente. I can still have a burger with bread, with this kind of bun, and I want to try it. The keto diet I'm doing, right? La dieta keto que está haciendo, even if you cannot notice, aunque no se note, because I don't always exactly follow it, right? Porque no la sigo siempre. It's a cyclical keto, es una keto cíclica. I've explained this before, ya lo he explicado esto antes. So you can have a maximum of 50 grams of carbohydrates a day. Puedes tener un máximo de 50 gramos de carbohidratos al día. And so this pan is 38. Este pan es 38. And then I have to just look for the remaining of the day. You know, tengo que ver por el resto del día nomás. And that's not hard, because now I'm kind of used to that. Estoy como acostumbrado a eso. And then also so the diet is like you do 5 days a week and then you have 2 days off. Son 5 días a la semana y tienes 2 días libres donde you can basically replenish on carbohydrates, but don't go crazy. La idea es que en esos días libres tú te puedes como reabastecer en carbohidratos sin irte a lo loco. Okay, so for now we have in the iron skillet. So it's on. It's pretty hot actually. So I'm gonna lower a little bit because it's gonna smoke quite a bit. But I'm just gonna make the burger here with probably some onion. Voy a hacer la hamburguesa con un poco de cebolla. So yeah. And the burger has some cheese. It's like a cheddar burger. Es una hamburguesa cheddar. Tiene queso. This is nothing special. I just wanted to make a video. Quería hacer un video, no es nada especial que no haya hecho antes. But so I'm gonna cut some slices of red onion. Voy a cortar un poco de rojas de cebolla morada, and I'm gonna throw it in there. Because I went to get groceries. Todo lo que fui a comprar. Y ahora tengo material. I also got this citrus twist. It's like a sparkling water with lemon flavor. Es un agua mineral con sabor a limón. Zero carbohydrates. Right there. Cero carbohidratos. Super buen humor. I have pretty good dreams. Tuve unos sueños muy buenos. Of this business I'm creating. Sobre este negocio que estoy empezando. So I got some ideas about that. Me dio ideas, mi sueño. And you're gonna hear from it soon. Pronto van a escuchar sobre eso. While chopping the onion. También hoy día subí el video de la sopa de pollo that I made yesterday. Yeah, I uploaded the chicken soup video that I made yesterday. Pretty good soup. I still have some of that, right? And what else? Oh yeah, and also the tarot reading, mi lectura de tarot que hice el fin de semana. That was a pretty good one. It's about bullying. Tarot reading that I did the weekend about bullying. Not that I planned it to be about bullying, but it just came out about that. Pretty good. Go check it out on the link right here on my other channel. Aquí voy a poner el link para mi otro canal, las cartas de mi ex. So this is basically what I wanted to do here. Just that. And I'm gonna add that right here. So one over there, one over here. Yeah, that's the other thing. I haven't used purple onion in so long. Hace mucho tiempo que no usaba cebolla morada. I was used to use white. Un poco de mantequilla. Which is keto, by the way. Totally keto. Butter. Ojalá, hombre, puta, este gato rejón de tu madre, weón, que te gusta brillarte, weón. Also, just a reminder that I'm so close to get monetized on YouTube, ¿eh? Estoy tan cerca de la monetización en YouTube. Like, I'm already on like 2,000 subscribers, I think. En 2,000 seguidores. Parece only the hours. Ya, todavía necesito las horas de visualización, así que try to help me there. Try to share. Traten de compartir si pueden. Maybe one day I'll go viral, ¿no? Quizás un día me haga viral un video, quién sabe. Okay. So, before the burger, vamos a salar. Okay. Vamos a dar vuelta a la cebolla. And the bread. Y el pan. I mean the bread. ¿Cómo se abre este pan? Can you open it? Oh, que la cagué. Okay, a little bit. Se abrió un poco. So I'm just gonna put this to toast a little bit. Vamos a tostarlo un poquitito. Wow. It's a lot of cheese, huh? Harto queso. Okay, that's enough. Turning this off. Getting the bread also. So the bread is not really toasted, huh? So el pan no está completamente tostado, but mayo, mayonesa, some mustard, mostaza y avocado, la paltita. Okay, the bread. Y el otro pan. I'm gonna also add mayo to this other. Now we close it like that, and next I'll do the other video, the tasting video.